Binzagr Company, a leading and long-established corporate entity in Saudi Arabia, has been long associated with importing, distribution and selling of a wide range of consumer products. Our extensive experience covers food, both chilled and frozen, and non-food personal and home care products, as well as automotive tyres. We are greatly experienced in both logistics and supply chain domains. Binzagr Company plans to leverage its core competencies backed by a vision to provide our partners an accurate and efficient end-to-end supply chain through setting up a modern, state-of-the-art integrated logistics facility in keeping with Saudi Vision 2030. Binzagr Logistics, a part of Binzagr Company, is located in King Abdullah Economic City, known as KAEC, within the logistics zone in the Industrial Valley, and is considered a flagship project of KAEC. Binzagr Logistics is truly an innovation in the region. As well as being the largest in North Africa, Middle East and Turkey region, it lies in close proximity to the new King Abdullah Port, KAP. The new facility incorporates a state-of-the-art automated storage and retrieval system, ASRS, that provides a strategic solution to achieve a competitive advantage in the logistics and warehousing domains. The facility is designed to meet Saudi Food and Drug Authority requirements and is compliant with all international quality standards. Construction is now underway and in full swing. Binzagr Logistics has roped in global experts in the logistics and warehousing domains, like Shafa, Arcadis, Maybach and Nesma, with a view to build a world-class facility.
This project was conceived in 2015. This flagship project is scheduled to go live in October this year. Total project timeline of 4 years were planned in 3 phases. Phase 1 was feasibility and business case modeling. Phase 2 was conceptual design, tendering and selection of appropriate vendor for each trade. Most challenging part was to simulate our material flow to optimize our warehouse design. Currently, we are in our final phase of construction, business blueprinting, IT configuration, realization and go live. With 22 stacker cranes, 80 rail-guided vehicles and over 2 km of conveying system, this facility is equipped to handle throughput of 800 pallets an hour, one of its kind in this region. To manage these high throughput volumes, this facility has 72 dock doors and parking lot to accommodate over 160 trailers.
We started with the construction of the project back in 2017, and we had for the project itself several challenges. One of the first challenges was that the project is located next to the Red Sea, so we had to take care about a special combined piling and raft foundation, which we did with German engineering. With this method, we were able to save a lot of costs and a lot of time for the client. We were able to conduct the project within 18 months. Other challenges for the project were especially the weather conditions. In Jeddah, in Saudi Arabia, we were located next to the ocean, and we are having in the summertime, which is basically in Saudi Arabia from June, July up to September, October, we're having temperatures over 45, 50 degrees. So these weather conditions combined with dust and heat were very challenging for the project management for a successful execution of this project. Another challenge for the project was the fact that many of the materials were imported from either Dubai, from the UAE, from Germany or from the US, which were taking a lot of time in the engineering and in the design process.
The logistics center has 2 high bay warehouses for food and non-food. Everyone has a capacity of more than 55,000 pallet locations. These 2 warehouses are fire protected by a hypoxic system, which is unique in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. So the high bay warehouses and the equipment in the process areas are modular in design, which can be extended easily in the future. Due to the complexity of this project, we have brought a specialized workforce from Europe. Due to the high temperature in this region, The installation team have been working during the night to install the high bay structure.
The warehouse is designed to accommodate the actual portfolio of the company, but also we have the intention to develop a strong 3PL portfolio using Binzagr network. Assisted by the automated system and together with an integrated warehouse management system, SAP EWMS, we will be able to speed up all the processes in inbound, put away, replenishment, box picking and full pallet preparation with a very high standard of quality of the services. We are ready to receive and dispatch in average 600 trucks a day and approximately 13,000 pallets a day. In addition to that, we develop around 10,000 square meters for value-added services in the way that all our clients can access to a various number of services as co-packing, mixing, labeling, shrinking and preparing displays.
Certain standards have been set in place, internal control standards which complement with the integrated management system, ISO 9001, ISO 14001, OSHA 18001. We ensure that operational activities are effective and efficient to build customer satisfaction.
It was important to us because of its strategic location to the King Abdullah port, as well as the future rail link that will be opening up in the near future. It was also an important part of the 2030 vision, and we had some very positive experience with clearance of goods through the King Abdullah port, and we wanted to expand that experience across our entire portfolio. We will also be able to offer a full-service transportation network from the facility that will be able to move goods to virtually every single market in the kingdom. And we use that with our existing network that we have in place, where we're currently servicing over 30,000 retail outlets. So we'll continue to service with our existing customers, that being the food and non-food products in the FMCG markets, primarily retail, wholesale, general trade, modern trade, etc. That will remain. However, we'll see opportunities where we can expand upon that and move further into the pharmacy channel, the small appliances, IT, communications, etc. That will enable us to better utilize the capacity of the facility.
We at Binzagr Company are a leading logistics and transportation provider with a rich history in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. It is for that reason that we have decided to build in King Abdullah Economic City a state-of-the-art logistics facility capable of delivering the most efficient distribution network, entailing all aspects from vessel to retail store shelves in all market channels across the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, aligning ourselves with the Kingdom's Vision 2030 that projects Saudi Arabia as a leading logistics hub in the region. With this new facility and our vast market intelligence, experience and relationships in the market, we are now able to expand our new storage, handling and transportation opportunities across the Kingdom and the GCC.
This facility is well equipped to meet the needs of business across industries, FMCG, both food and non-foods, pharmaceuticals and pharmacy chains, hospitality and QSR sector, as well as the IT, telecommunications and the manufacturing sector. Binzagr Logistics serves as a one-stop logistic hub, with an emphasis on achieving speedy deliveries from vessel to store shelves in 30 days. Importantly, our facility features a distribution reach of over 30,000 retail stores through its extensive last-mile delivery capabilities. Binzagr Logistics, a one-stop integrated logistics solution provider, will go live by first quarter 2020. For more information and further details, visit our website www.binzagrlogistics.com.